Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today, we from Group 6 will present on the safety awareness campaign for milling in manufacturing industry for our assignment for the subject occupational safety and health. For the introduction of our group, my name is Shafiq Mariko Sulaiman Mijares, and my group mates are Muhammad Zafrul Hafizi bin Muhammad Zafid, Harry T. Kaid, Muhammad Zafni bin Jamaluddin, and Muhammad Irfan Haras bin Shamsul Naha. The image that is shown is the statistics of occupational accidents by sector until December 2018. As you can see, in manufacturing industries, the non-permanent disability and permanent disability has exceeded the other industry in accidents that has happened throughout the year.
In manufacturing industry, who is injured most often at work? It is a younger worker, the worker that are between the age of 18 to 25 years old. Younger workers injured at work more often than the older workers. Well, usually many younger workers lack of experience or proper training. Some may be less likely to speak up or asking questions. Younger workers tend to make more risk and to do job that is more dangerous. What are the common causes of workplace accidents? Firstly, ignoring safety procedures or rules, laziness, and lastly, overconfidence. Firstly, ignoring safety procedures or rules. Safety rules and procedures are created to prevent accidents. By ignoring them will eventually lead to someone getting hurt or killed.
Firstly, ignoring safety procedures or rules. Safety rules is procedures that are created to prevent accidents. While at work, ignoring them will eventually lead to someone getting hurt or killed. Second is laziness. This happens when workers taking shortcuts while doing tasks. When working with dangerous tools or machines, taking a shortcut exposes a person to unnecessary risk and to a potential disaster. Third is the overconfidence. This happens when a worker feels that they are invincible or are very good at their job, that they think that nothing can happen to them, which leads to workers following incorrect work procedures or being careless.
This is the safety precaution that we can apply before using milling machine. Firstly, make sure that you wear proper PPE. Do not wear watch, jewelry or using fitting clothes which might be constituted a safety hazard. Must wear suitable PPE such as ear defender, safety glass and protective footwear should always be worn. After that, read the manual carefully before operating milling machine. Next, this is the safety procedure during using milling machine. Firstly, do not make contact with involving cutter. Keep finger at least 6 inches away. Even not, a working cut is very dangerous to a sharp teeth. Please wash your place after using it. Cut to the skin are the most common while dealing with milling machine. There will be minor possible will be injured such as lose your hand or fingers.
Next, never adjust the workplace when machine is operating. Use the correct speed for the correct application and make sure the machine is non-live when changing a workplace. This is safety procedure that we can apply after using the milling machine. After using the milling machine, do not blow the chip if air hose use a brusher. Then clean the work surface. To sum up for this video, We must avoid the worst by putting safety first. Safety first, be careful, be aware, and be safe. Thank you.